What if you could copy the most profitable crypto traders on the planet without having to mess about with wallets, bridges, or smart contracts? I've just come across someone that's changed everything for me. In today's video, I'm going to run through BitMEX and how it actually changed the trading game for me. So without mucking about, let's jump straight into today's video. Alright folks, as you can see, I'm now on the official BitMEX website, so make sure you head over to bitmex.com. They've got a 100,000 USDT price pool running until the 5th of April, so make sure you stick around because, like I said, they're giving away 100,000 USDT in rewards and prizes. And like I mentioned, there won't be any extension, so it'll all wrap up on the 5th of April, and they'll be splitting the rewards into 4 different types, which are as follows. So they'll offer loss coverage if your early trades don't go your way, a deposit cashback that just pays you for funding your account, and they'll give you trading credits. So you'll have extra capital in your account and can have a bit of a play around on the platform. They'll also give you rewards if anyone signs up through your link and joins BitMEX. So what sets this apart from your usual exchange promo? Well, the thing is, you can actually qualify for a bunch of different rewards and they stack on top of each other. Like I mentioned, they're giving it away in 4 different segments, and you can qualify for more than one, depending on what you get up to on your account. And it's important to jump into these pools as soon as you can, because they'll get snapped up bit by bit. So the earlier you get in, the more you'll be able to access. And it's only running until the 5th of April. All right, let me just give you a quick look around the dashboard before we move on to the next point. As you can see, there's heaps you can do on BitMEX. You can head over here, buy crypto with one-click buy, deposit crypto, or even convert it with no fees, which is actually pretty awesome. You can check out the markets. As you can see, they've got all those tools. You can trade as well. Then you got tools, as you can see right there, and you can even use TradingView with BitMEX, which is pretty cool. And they've also got their rewards hub. All right, folks, have a look here. BitMEX is the first centralized exchange to integrate Hyperliquid copy trading. So I'll tell you now why this is important. As you can see, there's a copy trading marketplace, so you can check out all the different people's trades that you can copy. Hyperliquid is a decentralized perpetual exchange, and it's known for attracting some of the most serious traders who are actually using their own money, real strategies, and there's a fully transparent chain that anyone can go and check out. So this means you'll get access to the very best traders out there. All right, folks, and the appeal of copying these traders has always been obvious, but that hasn't been the issue. The real issue was actually been with the execution, and there were a bunch of different steps you had to take just to copy their trades. So you had to set up a non-custodial wallet, bridge your funds across a few different blockchains, and actually go and interact with a smart contract, which all takes a bit of technical know-how and comes with a fair bit of risk. So this is where BitMEX steps in. They've made the whole process a lot simpler and the risk is much lower now. BitMEX has totally changed things by becoming the first centralized exchange to connect their data with Hyperliquid's data and actually bring it into the CEX environment. So you'll have access to the same on-chain signals without ever having to leave this centralized platform. So your funds will stay on BitMEX the whole time, guys. No wallets, no bridge, no smart contract, and no gas fees either, which is pretty bloody cool. All right, next up, let's check out the copy trading. So as you can see, we can head over to tools and then go to copy trading. All right, guys. So now what we're going to do is switch over to the copy leaders. As you can see, here's the leaderboard for the copy traders, all under the Hyperliquid section. They're ranked by their on-chain performance. You can filter different things like returns, withdrawals, or even which assets they focus on. So it's easy to find a trader that suits you. And the best part is, because all this data actually comes straight from the blockchain, it can't be cherry-picked or fiddled with. It's exactly what happens with the trader in real time. As you can see, the ROI here and the win ratio are exactly as they are in real life, because it comes straight from that blockchain data. All right, so once you find a trader you're comfortable with and who matches your risk appetite, you can choose how much of your balance you want to put towards this trade. You need to set a maximum drawdown limit. So if the losses go beyond what you're comfortable with, BitMEX will stop it completely. All you have to do is click copy, and with just one click, you'll be copying the trader's trades. And at that point, BitMEX will handle everything automatically for you. So it'll copy the trader's positions and do it proportionally based on the funds you've put in. All right, folks, and this is where things get interesting. So you can actually go and take a dodgy trader and turn it into an opportunity by doing reverse copy trader. So most platforms only let you copy your traders' trades if you reckon they'll actually win. But with BitMEX, it lets you do something else, which is called reverse trading. And this is a whole different ball game where you can actually make money off a bad trader. All right, so if you spot a trader on the leaderboard who you reckon's going to flop, you don't agree with their strategies, and you think they're always over leveraging or blowing up their account, you can go ahead and do a reverse trade. So what that means is, instead of copying the exact trade they make, you'll take the opposite position. This is a powerful tool in a bear market because finding a winner is actually really, really tough. Instead of hanging around waiting to find that perfect winner, you can now just go and reverse copy a trader and make money off someone who's actually losing trades by simply doing the exact opposite. All right. And no other centralized exchange platform actually offers this. So it's something that makes BitMEX completely different and sets it apart from the rest of the market. The 100K prize pool is live right now. The link will be in the description. Sign up using the link below and copy your first trader, then let your portfolio do the hard yakka for you while you kick back. So that's all for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.